Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the Name Date on RNDR. Recently, RNDR has broken down the support of a descending triangle on the daily time frame chart, and after the breakdown, we had a big drop, and now it is retesting the previous resistance of the channel that is already broken out, and that resistance of the channel is now acting as a support. By the way, the technical target for this breakdown that I was also showing you in my previous videos, as per this measurement, was here. That was approximately at this support of $3.40. By the way, from $3.40 to $2.95, we have a complete support zone. And you can see that the price then is dropped slightly more than this expected target. However, it did not break down this previous resistance of the channel that is now acting as a support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very, very massive rally that was begun here after the breakout of this big and long-term down channel as well. By the way, I have been showing you this channel even before the breakout as well in my so many previous videos when it was moving inside this channel. And I was telling you that after the breakout, our technical target will be here at the top of the channel somewhere between $8 to $10. And you can see that the price then has rallied beyond that target. By the way, from this low to here, it was almost or more than 5,100%, very, very massive rally. And after the breakout, when we were retesting the previous resistance of the channel as support from this low to here, it was almost 3,400 and 48%. Very, very massive pump. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this rally as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for render that I shared on 22nd of November 2024 with my members. And that was a bullish candle pattern that rendered formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. Buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, and you can see that the price then started a very, very massive reversal from this buying on and rallied beyond the sell targets. And this was almost 70% pump only on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Render. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame. And here, for the past several days, weeks, it was moving inside this descending triangle. By the way, we found the support here on 12th of November 2024, and we were broken down here on 22nd of January 2025 after getting squeezed inside this triangle. And the technical target, as per this triangle's breakdown, was here at this support of $3.40. And you can see that the price then dropped up to $3.26.7, more than the expected target. However, we just had a long spike inside this previous down channel that is already broken out. It could not break down this previous resistance of the channel that is now acting as a support. For example, if we will break it down, then we will have another very long-term support zone that starts from $3.40 and goes to $2.95. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this support zone has been previously breaking a support zone here, and before that was acting as a resistance here, and therefore now again it is acting as a very, very nice support zone. Now, if you take a look at the target, and target for the breakout from this down channel is again here where we found the resistance after the breakout from this long-term down channel when we had this powerful rally. Then you can see that we found a very strong resistance on here from $12.50 to $13.85. And you can see that the top of this channel is here at $13.85. Therefore, now we can expect that if the price hits the target for the breakout from this channel, then it may also break out this very, very long-term resistance zone as well, because here we also have the target for the breakout from this channel. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.